Want to start selling internationally with Amazon Global Selling? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to register and get started. Before anything, you want to make sure you have ID proof like PAN, passport, or driving license and ensure the name matches your Amazon account. Also, get your address proof ready. Next, you want to start registration. For that, open up any web browser, then head over to amazon.in/sellglobal. Now, you want to click on the sign up option in order to start registering. If you already have an Amazon account, you can just log in with the same details. Now you want to choose your target marketplace, then click register now. Now, you will have to enter your business details. If you're a company, select privately owned business and provide your company name. If you are an individual, select none and enter your full name as per your ID. Now, enter your business address exactly as shown on your bank statement. Then you will have to enter your mobile number. Now, tap on the Send OTP option. After that, enter your OTP and verify your account. In the next section, add your details like your national ID and click Next. Upload your ID in high quality color. Now, add your international debit card for Amazon's monthly billing. Then, fill in your store name, choose a product listing template, and answer whether you have UPC codes. After that, choose a convenient date and time for your video call. Keep an eye on your email 24 hours before the call for instructions. Have your physical ID ready during the call. Once verified, your Amazon Global Selling account will be ready and now you can start reaching customers worldwide. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.